Here is a new book by name, The Physics of Mathematics. What is it all about? We will come to the first part, physics, later, and now begin with mathematics. Where from the term mathematics appeared? And if you know that, then comes numbers. Albert Einstein once commented, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." Do you know that the decimal number system, now followed universally, appears in the Vedas? The 10-based place value system, along with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., 10 digits, and its operations are given here with original mantras and sutras. In the Yajurveda, we have Eka cha desha cha shatam cha sahasram cha ayudam cha niyudam cha prayudam cha arbudam cha nirbudam cha andyam madhyam paradhaschaida me ishtaga thenavassantu. That means Eka 1, desha 10, shatam 100, sahasram 1000, ayudam 10,000, niyudam lakh, etc. up to parartham, that is 10 raised to 12. These are the place values given by the Vedic period. Fractions, negative and positive numbers, etc. are also given. You may be surprised to see Adi Shankaracharya describing number line. Coming to algebra and equations, there is Aryabhata. He gives quadratic equation in just 2 lines, 1500 years ago. Moola bhalam sabhalam kala moola gunam ardha moola kriti yudam tan moolam moolardhonam kala hrudam samoola bhalam. In the solution of equations, splitting the middle term, that is Madhyamaharanam, completing the square Vargapuranam, etc. are given here. Just verbatim translations. You have learnt that Carl Friedrich Gauss, the great German mathematician, found the formula for the sum of natural numbers 1 to 100. He gives the formula first term plus last term by 2 into number of terms. This was exactly given by Aryabhata in 499 AD in his book Aryabhatiyam. Adyam plus Antyam, that means first term plus last term, by 2 into Ishtam. Ishtam means number of terms. Only translation. In geometry, that is Rekha Ganitam, the same formula is used to find the area of triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, circle and sphere. Volume of solids are also given by Aryabhata. Aryabhata presents the sign table, but it actually appears in Surya Siddhanta much before him. Ratio Trairashikam, proportion Anupadam, percentage Shatamanam, interest Vriddhi are age-old concepts. The kings of Raghuvamsha period collected only 1/6 as tax. Panini describes the word Shatamanam, percentage. Chanakya fixed 15% as interest rate. Have you heard of Aryabhata's instrument box? Like the ones you carry to school with scale, compasses, square, etc. Aryabhata gives a list. Vrittam bhramena sadhyam tribhujam cha chadurbhujam cha karnabhyam sadhya jalena samabhuratha urdhvam lambakenaiva. Brahmam, compasses. Jalena, water level. Lambagena, set square or plumb line. Bhaskara elaborates on all these with beautiful examples. The topics you learned through 10 years can be learned in less than half the time much easier. All these are included in this book. Add some exercises in each chapter, it becomes a textbook.